Subscribe now. Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro smartphone was launched in June 2017. The phone comes with a 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels at a PPI of 401 pixels per inch. Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro price in India starts from $304. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7870 processor and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 13-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 3600 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 152.40 by 74.70 by 7.90, high-text width x thickness. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is a dual SIM, GSM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.